Fully hydraulic tunnel drilling rig can achieve 180° horizontal rotation, vertical lift. 770毫米 90° pitch angle omnidirectional drilling operation. The rotating mechanism of this drilling rig is powered by a 160 variable motor. Decelerate with the gearbox. In the drive drill pipe drill bit rotation work, the motor can achieve continuously variable speed. Adjust the speed according to different working environments. Fast drilling is possible.